y'all, it's Kyra Elise and welcome back to another video. So today, as y'all can see by the title, I will be showing y'all how I put on this headband wig from Vivi Babi hair. I'm trying to focus so y'all can see packaging. And no, this video is not sponsored, but maybe I will get sponsored after this video. So I got the 20-inch water wave curly headband wig, and it just looks like this. The hair is very beautiful. From what I can tell, I can run my hands right through it. It doesn't seem to shed, and it kind of smells like burnt hair a little bit. Besides that, I really have no complaints. And it's just like a brown color, you know, like how it's a natural brown color that hair usually comes in. In the box, in addition to the hair, was also 3 headbands that they gave me. And it's the cheetah print headband, it's a floral print headband, and then there's this black bandana headband. So this is my first time wearing a wig. I've never worn a wig before, so I'm kind of interested in how this is going to turn out, especially because, you know, I got this wig because I think when I'm rushing, or, you know, don't feel like doing my hair as a naturalista, maybe I just want to switch it up a little bit for the night. I can just throw this wig on. So let's get right into it. With a wash and go. It's an older wash and go that I actually freshed up yesterday. I had somewhere to go. Oh, y'all, look at that. These flakes. My hair is it's dang near dirty. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna start off by sectioning this hair. I'm gonna do it right down the middle, actually. The video that I've been watching, everybody was trying to get in just a low bun, so that's gonna be the goal. And I have a lot of hair too, so it's gonna be a minute, but we gonna get it together. First things first, go ahead and drench the hair. I don't want to drench it completely, but enough that it's gonna cooperate and lay down how I need it to. I don't think I'm gonna detangle it either. I'm just gonna let it, and it already has a lot of product in it already from yesterday. So it shouldn't be bad. Laying. Get the other side. Pony. Y'all understand, I've been working on my hair growth for about 3 years now. Trying to get it to the length that it's at now. And I'm just so happy that it's growing. I just continue making sure it's healthy. And I've seen it grow so much. y'all, I'm not, don't be like, why are you doing your edges so early on? I'm just trying to figure out how much edge I should leave out. If you know me, I don't really do dramatic edges. Like, I'm not really with all of it. But I know, like, a lot of people like to do, like, a lot of edges with this. So I'm just trying to figure out how much I should leave out. Okay, your girl is struggling. Okay, this is how it looks when I first put it on. I'm gonna do my edges and try to figure out how to put this comb on. And I'll come back to y'all. wet. 20-inch waterway. Super cute. And I got this length because I just wanted it to look more natural, which I think it definitely does. So tell me how I did, y'all. This is my first time doing any type of wig, wearing any type of wig. I think it looks bomb. So tell me how y'all think y'all like it. This is a closer look. I'm trying to make sure the light is good. Period. Thank y'all for watching today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed as I installed this bomb headband wig from Vivi Babi hair. This hair is really everything. It's super nice, super silky, and I'm loving this look. Definitely gonna be wearing this a few times. So make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe.